So this morning, about 8:30, a white minivan Toyota was traveling on the Washington Boulevard eastbound, speeding apparently at very high speed, where it actually cost the life of one person and multiple has been injured. And they said it actually also kids involved. So this is just crazy right now. Jamaica, we need to start asking the driver them say, yo, take time, drive on the road. Cause we know say we're excited for the new road and everybody say them a drive beast and them want improve who for vehicle faster. Well, in a case like this, you drive a bus, right? Public transportation. You have to keep in mind, say, Virgin, these people are pay you to bring them go somewhere. Them not pay you to bring them to harm's way. Because in a case like this, where the truck actually prepare for brake for stop at the stoplight and the bus a fly. If you see a top knock off a van like that, you know say the man a speed, right? So now we actually even hear say a girl got run over by a truck also as well. And the driver actually has been charged. It's a lot of speculation. People say the truck wasn't speeding. It just not look good. Drivers, take time drive. Value on the life. Also as well, the passenger will pay you for bring them to a safe destination. Not final destination. People, smash a like, subscribe. You don't know the thing said. Sad story. Condolence goes out to the families and the people that were injured, get well soon. You don't know the thing said. And again, I say it again. Drivers, take time drive. And a plane you fly. Keep that in mind. Now people can't make up this. It start again. So we switch part a video go viral where I know only one person still right now. This is like the new trend, right? You see like oh what it was like the trend for say free world boss. Well now, I don't know who start this. All of a sudden, I see be a people I post be a video go viral as a cartel for stay a prison. What go on people? One man have a video say if they were supposed to give $1 million option for freedom for cartel, or the person can have $1 million. The virgin I say, I would actually tell them for dash the key. Wow. People drop on the comments on that. What on the thoughts on that? No, we not take no side. We are speak it how it go. We wanna really think about that speech here. Right? And also, at this current moment right now, what Isaac Buchanan have to really say? Because we really need to know. Because it's a lot of questions been asking, like, if you never know, say, it was too late for try to file for that thing where him try to file for. So, what people basically I say is like, say, them really after the man money or the paper. It's all about the cash, people. Now, the brethren now, get back to this now. The brethren I say, everybody I say, for free the artist. And nobody now think about Lizard family and him kids and thing. The Virgin I said the kids have suffer and the family and be a thing people. You see me? Actually drop on the thoughts and comments actually as well. You see me? No, we don't know if this is a person we know the family of Lizard or what, or is just a person who is not a fan of Vibes Cartel and just a vent. I don't know say anything with Vibes Cartel name connected to it, it's very easy to go viral. So it's very interesting. You see, a lot of people attack crazy. It's like when you ask people question, it's like it never makes sense to ask people question because some people you don't expect to hear say some things you say, boy, John. You see me? Drop in the comments, it rough. Also, as well, see people that say, well, you know, him should have try if you take a plea bargain. No, ask yourself this. If you are fight your case so long, right? Because remember, you know, all of a sudden people start act like say them see this man or do something, you know. Remember, you know, you're innocent until proven guilty, you know. Remember, you know, proven guilty, you know. And so far, them still not prove the man guilty yet, you know. Right? So, can just cast a stone and I say a pine finger and I make your speculation become reality. You understand me? Because in the day, none of us not on the investigation case. None of we are not the lawyer or the judge. So I just hear say we have to go offer. And it been like that since the start. It's all hearsay. Nobody can really say them see this man do something. You see me? Even the video when me see them surface I talk about say, yo, wait, no man in the video do nothing. Nobody never do nothing. So what's the point of that? Everything is just for shock value. Cause them know say once them say something, people them run with it. I just say something with cartel name on it and people are gonna run with it. No, ask yourself this now. Few man them where I say if you just cop out, right? Remember, you know, it start off saying the person who's supposed to be the victim was allegedly send off, run away to a next country or whatever them say, right? It was a whole lot of saying and speculation. So all of that something they go, right? None of these things then possibly, you know, brother. You see me? So until them sort out everything, me not think say people for just and make them belief become them reality like and I tell themselves, Virgin, wait till the people them sort it out and them know and them say, oh, right. But you can't just a cast stone over a man. You have to just leave it and just be neutral with the thing. You see me? Because end of the day is, if you not do something, why would you go cop out to something? If you been a say, I know me do this. I know me do this, Virgin. Me never do that. Why all of a sudden are you? That make any sense? So, I don't have to know. People, drop on the thoughts in the comment section because everybody have them own mind frame. Everybody think different, right? So everybody are gonna have them own opinion as how them feel say him should have go about this current situation because some people them already tell us say no make them know nothing because the minute them know something, everybody knows something. You understand? So yeah, we get a lot of things like that from people like that. Man, so yeah, man, just go ahead and tell upon yourself, man. I will never do nothing. Just tell upon yourself, just to tell. Serious. But we don't know what go on yet. And as far as what we can see, the surprise after surprise after surprise thing, it a get play out now, you see me? Yeah, man.